Hello, I'm Krista Fairbrother, and today we're talking about using the pull steps in water yoga. Here I'm using the pull stairs for Warrior 2 pose. Start with one side of your body and your feet parallel to the pull steps. Bring the closer foot onto the pull step you want to use and turn those toes out 90 degrees. Adjust the distance between your feet as needed. Bend the knee on the pull step to lower yourself down, and if you want, raise the opposite arm up. So why would you want to use the pull steps? They provide stability, especially if you're not as tall. They emphasize weighting the back leg, which becomes more important as you progress. It can emphasize length on one side, which you might need in your practice. It increases the hinge in the hips in a pose such as Warrior 2, and you can see I'm close to the handrail if I would like to use it. To come down, you lower your arm and then step off the pull step. Here's the same pose from the other direction. Placing your foot, hinging in your hip, and raising your arm up. Thanks for practicing with me today, and if you'd like more of these water yoga videos, visit my website, kristafairbrother.com.